A lot of Southerners, of course, wanted those Western territories to expand the slave power, to be new enslaved land where their cotton plantations can grow and make more money in this growing and increasingly global capitalistic system that slavery enabled. A lot of Northerners, however, wanted to make sure slavery did not expand in those Western territories. And that led to, in 1850, a series of legislative compromises that combined become known as the Compromise of 1850. It gave some concessions to Northerners, like allowing California to be admitted as a free state, although California's slave status was a lot more complicated than general understanding typically implies. But the compromise legislation also included a new Fugitive Slave Law, the Fugitive Slave Law of 1850. And it did a number of things to assure Southerners that the federal government was still pro-slavery and was going to protect their ability to capture runaway fugitives in the North. It did things like penalize those who refused to help the government in securing the capture of fugitives, including imprisonment for those who hindered the government efforts. It forced Northern police to assist and giving them a bonus if they successfully secured fugitives. It denied habeas corpus, a trial by jury, the ability to testify, and other due process actions for those accused of being fugitives. There should be alarm bells going off in your mind of the contemporary relevance. And judges who oversaw these courts, it was no longer a jury of your peers, it would be a judge that would decide. Those judges would be rewarded double in payment for if they decided that the fugitive was indeed a fugitive, had to be returned, as opposed to if they determined that there was not enough evidence to send them back south. So you can see how that fugitive slave law in 1850 was adamantly pro-slavery, strengthened the federal government's ability to overrule state laws in the North and retrieve the fugitive enslaved.